Oh, all right. This video, we're going to talk about this. This video is going to help you get good posture, and this. It's going to help you balance better to get around, less chance of falls. What else, Mike?
And the only thing you need for this video is some sort of kickball.
Whoa.
Well,
you don't have to kick it, though. Don't worry. It's simple.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
I'm Brad.
I'm Mike, and behind the scenes we have Bob, and together we're the most famous physical therapy team on the internet.
In our opinion, of course,
and
Mike.
And if you're new to our channel, like this video, please like and subscribe.
Now, I do want to talk about and clarify why this is the best video for both posture and balance. The thing with posture, you're going to be upright, shoulders back, everything like we always talk about, which you have much better balance when you have good posture. They go together back to back. Now, and I didn't mean that was a good pun, wasn't it?
Maybe a little bit.
The other thing is we're going to incorporate mobility, things going on in your life when you're walking and your balance is difficult, and then you look over this way or someone, pops a balloon and scares you a little bit, that can make you lose your balance. We're going to do some activity that makes it dynamic to fill in that void.
It's a fun activity I like to do at home. People walk by, just pop balloons from around the corner.
We'll get on with the pro video. Now, we'll get on with that dynamic balance exercise I was talking about, but first, address the posture. For both of these, you're going to need a ball that's soft and squishy. Here's one, a small one, a larger one. Something like this will probably work better, but a ball that's real rigid will not work very well. So, first of all, the first posture one with the ball, we're going to be standing. Mike, get over there.
Oh, I
We're going to be
move now?
standing back against the wall. Mike, can you talk about it?
So we're going to take a ball, you're going to place it behind your back. You want me to go up in my shoulder blade area, correct?
Right, exactly. Now, Mike, you're familiar with, actually, you invented this, but in a seated position, which we'll get to. But you don't have to use a ball, but the ball gives a good opportunity to really stretch out the muscles in front, which are tight with poor posture. So he's squeezing, trying to touch his shoulders back to the wall. Now he's going to go into a W position. There we go. Can you touch your hands to the wall?
Well, I can, but I'm running into these little things.
Don't worry about that. Everyone has those on their wall. Now, yeah, and then you can get the elbows back. So you can make sure you're breathing. Are you breathing, Mike?
I'm breathing through my nose. Yes, I'm just a quiet breather.
Start out with just 3 of these. If that's easy, go up to 5. No more than 10 for sure. Now, if you want to get more aggressive, we're going to show this done on the floor. Okay, so you can see what we're trying to do is get this posture back into here, as well as getting the head back at the same time. Using the ball on the wall, standing is nice and easy to do. But if you want to get a little more aggressive, and it's actually easier because you use gravity, we're going down on the floor, how Mike has the ball between his shoulder blades. That's comfortable. It's really helpful to have a pillow or two to allow your head to rest. Mike, can you explain to him how you're doing that?
So you're going to have to find the right spot for your back. Maybe it's higher up, maybe it's a little lower down. I would say a larger ball for this is going to be more aggressive. The smaller ball will be easier. So all I'm going to do, I have some pillows here, you notice, because I have the large ball for your head. We have 2 of them here, and I'm much more relaxed. And what this is doing is slowly stretching out my shoulder muscles, my pec muscles here, and just start in this position. If this feels too much of a stretch, maybe add another pillow or get a smaller ball like I had mentioned earlier. If this feels adequate to you and good, you can try getting rid of a pillow if need be. And now I'm really feeling it. Ooh. And if you want more, you can move your arms out to the side and sit like this, or you can go overhead, or we can kind of do those W repetitions we were doing against the wall as well. On the floor, I like to just kind of hold it here because gravity's naturally going to pull you down, and I just kind of like to hang out and stretch, and it feels good.
Yeah. One thing I do if I'm in that position, I'll take my hands. Can you show them that? Go behind your head. And, you may be able to do it that way without the pillow and use your hands.
Oh, this is a bit, I don't know if I can get to the floor.
That's pretty aggressive, isn't it?
Gosh,
Yeah.
So
Sorry, Mike. That's advanced.
Yeah, that's a very large ball. I do this with a different
right.
at home, but it works.
Let's stop this because you're already stretched out. There's another way you can do it. At a chair, at your desk, at the table. Now, this next one in the chair, like I said, you can do it wherever you are in a chair. And Mike actually patented this. Well, not literally,
I don't have a patent.
It's been about 10 years ago, and he started to do this in the clinic with patients with really good success, well accepted. Go ahead, Mike. It's your ball.
So just take a ball and place it behind your back. You can go lower or higher up. Feel the area where you feel like you're hunched over the most. And then we're going to do the same concept. It's just that you're seated in a chair. So if you're uncomfortable against the wall or on the floor, the chair might be a good place for you. So what you want to do is just try to roll back into the ball like this, get your shoulder blades back. That's beginner, but we eventually want to try to do some of those W's or Y's just to work on that back extension with shoulder retraction like this.
Nice job. And again, 3 repetitions, 5 repetitions. Hold it as long as you feel comfortable, and make sure you breathe and relax with all of these.
Go to your happy place.
Yeah, Mike is happy right now, I can tell. All right, well, now we got to go to the balance aspect to get that dynamic balance settled in. Mike, come on, we got work to do.
It's like a massage.
Quit it. All right, for the balance exercise, we're going to go to on a corner like this, back into it as I am here. Now, if you are a little unsteady and you don't feel comfortable standing on one leg or your feet together, we're going to start with a chair in front so you're safe. So if you lose your balance, you can grab here, or here, you're very safe. I'm going to remove this now so you can see the instruction.
I'll take that.
Oh, thank you, Mike, with the leg work. So we're here. The first thing you do is feet close together. If this is easy, the next thing you're going to do is line your feet up like this. It's a little harder. We got the wall to balance. The goal is to stay here for 15 to 30 seconds. If you can get to 30 seconds, it's not a big deal. Then we advance to one leg, and we'll be there. And again, hold it as long as you can. You can see I'm working, my ankle's working, and then the other leg, make sure you can do both sides. You'll probably find one leg has better balance than the other. Work that one a little bit more. Okay, and once you get to the point where you want to have the advanced part, the dynamic balance, something where your mind pays attention to another area, something else, so you're not thinking about balance, you're thinking about what you're doing. We're going to use a ball. Can you throw me a ball, Mike?
I suppose I'll let you play with it.
Oh, thank you, yeah. So take a ball that bounces good. So I'm already through. I'm doing 30 seconds on one leg. I feel pretty confident. I'm going to go to 2 legs close together, and now I have to start bouncing like this. Now I'm thinking about the ball and not the balance. So that makes it harder, especially when I look up and things like that happen. Thanks, Mike. It is good to have help from another person. Then you go one leg and start to dribble. There we go. And this is definitely harder than when I'm not dribbling the ball. So I got my balance when I need it. There we go. Now, this is the next thing I've done with a lot of patients in the clinic. Okay, Mike's the therapist or your friend at home, and you simply start passing the ball 2 feet. Now you're looking, and you got more things to think about. You're not thinking about so much balance anymore. And Mike is throwing the ball at different parts to try and challenge me.
Yeah, I'm not that bad at throwing a ball.
Right. Now, if you're that person, don't make it hard on the person unless they're clearly safe.
We can play dodgeball.
I'm going to go one leg now. Yeah. And if you're talking back and forth, that also distracts you a little bit more, makes your body try to balance a little bit harder.
Do they have to wear yellow socks while doing it?
When you're not thinking about, well, those socks are my favorite. You know that. Okay, now if there isn't a friend in the house, what you can do is go up. Go on, bring the chair over here. Use the wall. Done this many times. Put a chair behind you. Again, you should be able to stand like this very comfortably on one leg, very comfortably, and then go like this very comfortably. And then you simply start bouncing the ball like this. 1 foot. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. That really makes it harder. And then you turn and just go this way. Really makes a difference. So you can see how you can progress, obviously, both sides. If you're up to this level, you're probably doing quite well. And that's more the athletic level. Start with whatever level you need. You'll probably want to start in the corner like I did, maybe without the ball, and then progress.
I think the question we all have is, do you play ball with your wife or just by yourself in the wall?
Well, that's a personal question. My wife and I have a good time at home. That's all I've got
okay.
to say. So, anything else, Mike? Do we have another video?
We have another video. If you want to check out more videos on how to improve your balance, just click the video link on the screen. And we don't have it listed, Brad, so don't even look.
Anyways, yeah, that was fun. It's really a nice challenge.
I'm glad you were challenged.
You bet. Have a good day.
You want to take this home with you? Or?
No.
Oh.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical